Today, I'm doing gacha club stuff. Now, there's me. Oh no. I think my brother's been on the tablet. Oh no. I'm scared to death of what he's done. Oh my god. This is what it's like. I'll sort them out. I'll sort them out. I'm scared for my brother's life. Right, so we're going to be looking at the so-called scary presets. Oh my god. That's what you call gacha cringe. I'm sorry. Oh my god. Oh my god. Honestly, I can't really say much. That's what my characters used to look like. I like that. Honestly, if I change the features, you can join the freaking gang. I'm gonna make, so with these empty slots, I'm gonna make 2 more monsters to put in. I'm gonna try and make one really ghosty like this, but I'm not gonna use this. I'm not gonna use this character, but it's gonna be like this character. Does she have legs? No! Okay, I'm messing with the presets and they won't like it. Dark Soul. Doesn't look very dark. You know, you can change the colour of the dogs. Right, Nightmare Candy. I know what this is from. They referenced it. Hello, I guess you got my preset. I'm a FNAF OC named Nightmare Candy. I'm basically Nightmare, but less evil and stuff. No, you're not. Let me have a look at this. Character design. You could just use the presets. You freaking idiots. Yeah, all you have to do is go like that. Freaking hell. I thought you would know you're in game. Wait, 4 gems. Let's try something. Honestly, not a lot of these are too scary, but I know some I have Morse code in them, and I'm going to show you how to figure that out. So, Harper's one of them. I swear to God, I actually I'm not gonna have to write that down. I'm gonna write the Morse code down. I'll be back. Piece of paper. I'm bringing my tablet up onto my desk. I can see it better. You're gonna have some like weird stuff, like that weird noise that happens. I literally have a code on the desk. Right. I'm gonna have to sit up for this one. Right, so dash dot dash dot dot dash dash dot dot dash dash dot. God, this is horrendous. This is I'm gonna have to sit around. Dot dash dot dash 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 dot dot dash 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 dot 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 dash dot dash dot dash dash dot 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 dash dot dot. Right. So now that I've got the Morse code written down, I'm going to have to go off of Gacha Club, and I will see you there. Right, so I've come to a Morse translator. Type your message output. Can I switch it? Wait, can I put... Look guys, I'm doing this for you. I have done this before, but I don't remember what I did. So, okay. So we have dash dot dash dot space. I hate that. Space dot that. Oh no, that's underscore dash dash dot space dot dash dash. No, that's 3 dashes. Dot space dash. That's underscore dash dot dash 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 dot dash dash. Sorry guys. Dash dash dash. Dash dash dash, so space dash dot dot dash dot dot space dot 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 what was said, and then it's a space, then a dot, then dot dash, and then dot dash dot space dash dash dot 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 dash dot dot dash dot dot. Okay, right. It says heart there. That's the sound for it. But I don't know. Right, I'm not doing anymore because, oh my god. It's not because it takes a long time, but I'll meet you back at Gacha Club. So we're back. Now, I still can't believe what my brother did with my characters. I'm so upset about because they were some of my favourite ones. Now, what I do want to do in this video, I can't make it 15 minutes longer, but what I want to do is I want to make a character with just white outlines. So if I go, what I can just do is I can go to one of my characters. No, I'm not going to do it on one of my characters actually. So if I go to, this is so like freaky. I don't like this character that much. Him. I'm pretty sure one of them has no. Okay. Well, I should have wanted to do that, but hi guys.